Also in page 119 it says you can also use a similar approach to establish a gradient formula for the graph of y equal f of x, where f of x is a power of x. That is to say, f of x equal x to the power n, where n is any real number. Then now we are going to look into this sketch so we are able to find a formula. Again, let's say we have the same sketch. We have this point B, and at this point we have the tangent. The coordinates of B is x, f of x, x, and for the point C we are adding to x a small value that we called previously h. Then the point C is going to be x plus h, f of x plus h. To find the gradient, then it's the difference of y divided by the difference of x. So as h becomes small and the gradient of the chord becomes close to the gradient of the tangent, the definition of f prime of x is given as LIM, or we say it's the limit from h as the h tends to 0. Then LIM is the expression that means limit. What is the limit is when we say that as h approach to 0. Then this is going to be the formula. Using this definition you can differentiate a function of the form f of x equal to x power n. In the upcoming tutorials we are going to use this definition in order to find f prime of x when f of x is x to the power n or x to the power 3 and so on.